Okay, so we're gonna unbox the Yonaka Motorsports Axles. It's for a 2002 to 2006 RSX Type S. This is the part number. It's supposed to be able to handle 250 base horsepower. So this should be plenty for a stock RSX Type S car. They're fairly inexpensive compared to some of the more performance axles, but I think better than probably kind of Duralast, AutoZone, or Riley, but we'll see. Just want to unbox this, and then I'll show you guys kind of the install in another video as I'm changing out my ball joints, which is actually the reason why I kind of looked under the car and saw this. But these are the Yonaka Motorsports axles, and we'll go ahead and open it now. I kind of opened the box already, so you guys, but I haven't actually taken a look at the axles, so just to make it easier, because I'm holding the phone with one hand. But yeah, these are the axles. So we're gonna take it out, see what we got. Looks like they're individually wrapped in its own boxes, so this is great. So I'm just gonna kind of pull it out slowly. All right, so pulling out the axles from the box. There it is. This is the first axle. You can see they're brand new. They're wrapped in plastic. And this is really nice because it comes with the balancer, the vibration balancer, to absorb kind of vibrations from the engine as well as the road while you're driving, so that it doesn't kind of cause excess wear to your wheel bearings. This is the connection point to the motor or the transmission, we'll have to see. And then this is the connection to the wheel bearing itself. So it's one axle. And this is the other one. Very similar to this side. Yeah. So, connection to the wheel bearing, a balancer there, and this probably just connects, it's probably to the engine side, but we'll see. Comes with an axle nut, and this one has, there we go, that little snap ring to prevent it from coming out. So we're gonna have to remove the axles right now, and I'll show you guys what the install looks like. All right, so we took out the old axle on the transmission side, and this is the new Yonaka axle. Has this, the old one doesn't, the vibration bushing, and then it's pretty much new. You can tell, like, look at the rust on the old one. The ring is still there, and we're pretty much gonna take this and just kind of pop it right in tonight, and then tomorrow we'll go ahead and play around with the second axle and install it. So bear with me while I kind of get this going. So pretty much we've popped out the old one with the crowbar, and so the new one should just pop right back in. So doesn't matter what direction that it goes in, besides the kind of this axle nut, but it doesn't matter if it's like up or down, mostly because the axle spins. And we just kind of push it in till it pops back in. kind of almost in there, but I'm gonna give it a good tap with the sledgehammer and just kind of let it go kind of all the way in there. I'm gonna put the old axle nut on, kind of get it close to enough threading, and we're just gonna give it a good tap. And it's pretty much in there. Can't pull it out. I can tell that the ring is back on. And we're just gonna let the axle rest here. We're gonna install the rest tomorrow, but it's pretty much kind of ready to go. So I'm not sure if you can see, but in there is the axle. And I can put my hand in, and before I was able to put my fingers, now I can't. It's in all the way. Axle's not coming out, and we'll do the rest tomorrow.